So in this video, I'm going to be using the FS calculator to solve simple, or let me say basic linear functions. And to do that, we are using the calculator function. I'll be using these examples here and I'll be inputting the value of s as 3. We can use any value of s here, but for example purpose, we'll be using the value of s. So to do this, the first one here, we have 2s plus 1. So simply say 2 alpha x, just to introduce the alphabet, plus 1. And all we need to do is to place the calculator function. Here it asks us to input the value for x, and for this example we're using 3. So all I have to do is hit the equal to sign and we have it. In the same vein, we can do the second one, simple as ABC. Say 32 alpha x plus 16. I hit the calculator function. Boom, it asks me for the value of x and insert 3. So in this case, I can actually change the value to say 4 and this. So here we've substituted the value of 4 for our x, and then this is the answer it gives us. So next, let's see when we have square root. So for this, we'll start with s square plus 2. The same way, we click on the calculator function, or we ask what's the value of x. Let's use 3. That gives us 11. So what happened here is we did 3 square, which is 9, plus 2 to give us 11. So what if we have an expression instead? For example, this is an expression where we have 2 into s plus 1 and we've given the value as 24. How do we get the value for s? Here we're going to be using the calculator function also. But this time we're going to write out the entire equation and it will ask, then we click on solve for it to give us the value. So let's give it a shot. 2 into, of course, alphabet plus 1, said it is equal to okay. So we've done that. Now let's take a look at quadratic functions. How can we also use the calculator function to get the value for x in the quadratic function? So let's write out our equation. Square plus 2 for s plus 1. Okay, so let's calculate for s equals to 3. That will give us 16. So what happened here now? We inserted the value of 3 here. So 3 square will give us 9 plus 2 times 3, which is 9, plus 1. So we have 9. Okay, so what we have here is 3 square, which is 9, plus 2 times 3, which is 6, plus 1. So it is 9 plus 6 plus 1, which gives us a total of 16. So with this, we can see how we can use FS calculator directly to solve linear functions.